Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Having issues with your GCash account? Here's how to submit a support ticket in just a minute. First of all, open GCash app, tap your profile icon, bottom right, scroll down and tap help or service products and services section from here. Tap submit a ticket and at the bottom fill in your details, name, number, email, and describe your issue clearly. Attach screenshots if needed, then tap submit. That's it. You will get a response via email usually within 24 to 40 hours. If you still need help, find the article about your concern or issue and follow the steps to submit a ticket. If you If you already submitted a ticket, you can check the status via the GCash Help Center or Gigi. And that's it. Thanks for watching.